Hello, I'm Moshe Gazit, and welcome to Air-Qualitee. We've been exploring the multifaceted world of sustainability in commercial real estate, guided by the insights from Measurabl's Business of Sustainability report. We've touched upon energy reduction, decarbonization, regional trends, and the pivotal role of technology. Today, I want to focus on a trend that is powerfully reshaping the entire industry: the rise of sustainable finance. It's becoming increasingly clear that how real estate projects, properties, and companies are funded is now inextricably linked to their sustainability performance. The Measurabl report highlights that the integration of sustainability into capital markets is unlocking billions of dollars for decarbonization efforts. We're seeing a transformation driven by green loans, green bonds, and green-aligned indexes. These aren't just niche financial instruments anymore. They are becoming mainstream. For example, the issuance of sustainability-linked bonds for 2023 continued to exceed pre-pandemic levels, reaching $66 billion. This is well above the $9 billion seen in 2020, even with a slight dip year over year, likely due to the elevated interest rate environment. This clearly signals a strong and growing investor appetite for assets with demonstrable ESG credentials. The report emphasizes a crucial point. The alignment between sustainability and finance is mutually reinforcing. As capital increasingly flows into ESG-aligned assets, it directly funds improvements like energy-efficient retrofits or renewable energy installations, which in turn drive further reductions in energy consumption and carbon intensity. It's a positive feedback loop. Programs like Fannie Mae's green financing, which has allocated over $80 billion in loans, directly link financial incentives to measurable environmental outcomes. Similarly, partnerships like Measurabl's collaboration with FTSE Russell to power a $9 billion green REIT index are actively shaping the future of capital deployment in our sector. In 2024, BlackRock even launched an ETF that specifically tracks a green, low-carbon real estate index, improved by Measurabl's company-level ESG data, aiming for at least 20% better environmental performance than its broader investment ecosystem. This shift is also being driven by a sharper focus from global capital markets on financially material sustainability risks and opportunities. As Andrea Palmer from PGGM, a global real estate securities lead, points out in the report, we're entering 3D investing, where sustainability, risk, and return are equally weighted. Investors and lenders are no longer just looking at traditional financial metrics. They are increasingly scrutinizing the vulnerability of real estate to physical climate risks and the transition risks associated with a low-carbon economy. They are demanding quantitative metrics, not just qualitative statements. This means that granular, asset-level energy performance data, the kind that Air-Qualitee specializes in providing through our RadGreen platform, becomes a key input, often more crucial than just carbon metrics alone, because real estate is fundamentally about asset-level energy. The report predicts that this focus will only intensify. Global capital markets will continue to sharpen their scrutiny, pushing sustainability proxies to evolve from broad, often subjective corporate disclosures towards performance-based, verifiable metrics at the asset level. This is where the concept of audit-ready data, another prediction from Measurabl, becomes the currency of transactions. In a world wary of greenwashing, the demand for investment-grade, third-party assured sustainability data will continue to surge. So, what does this mean for property owners and developers? It means that demonstrating strong ESG performance is no longer just a nice-to-have for a corporate social responsibility report. It's becoming a fundamental requirement for accessing capital at favorable terms, for achieving optimal valuations, and for ensuring the long-term resilience and marketability of your assets. Properties that can provide transparent, verifiable data on their energy efficiency, carbon footprint, and resilience to climate risks will be at a distinct advantage. At Air-Qualitee, we are committed to providing precisely this kind of objective asset-level data. Our Building MRI approach, often enhanced by ESG analytics from partners like Alpha, gives owners the detailed insights they need to understand their current performance, identify areas for improvement, and confidently communicate their sustainability credentials to financial stakeholders. We help turn sustainability efforts into measurable financial results and support our clients in navigating this evolving landscape of green finance. The message from the financial world is clear. Sustainability is now a core pillar of investment strategy in real estate. Understanding and actively managing your property's ESG performance is key to unlocking capital and securing its future value. Thank you for tuning in to Air-Qualitee.